Hello guys, I'm not in Scotland today. I am in New York, England. So, hindi lang mawala sa isip ko yung Filipino nurse that got viral na she was attacked by the husband and wife who was in the park in Halifax. Even though they got arrested for it and whatever, I don't know kung ano yung nararamdaman niya, but it's very traumatic for you to be attacked. It's racial discrimination, racism, everything. For you to say, go on a dinghy boat, God, can I just give you where Philippines is? UK? Before we got here on a boat, patay na kami. We won't even make it. Siguro, baka hanggang, hindi ko alam, baka kung saan lang pwede yung boat na sinasabi mo. It is very concerning. It is an awakening as well that racism still exists, discrimination still exists. Thankful ako na I am protected most of the time. Kasi syempre, sa Scotland, you can feel it. There's a discrimination, there's a racism, but they don't do it physically. Snobbish. Mas okay na yun, diba? Pero for her, pinul yung hair, they threw water on her face in front of her kids. That's very traumatizing. Sorry talaga sa nafe-feel mo, ate. Pero, oh my God, hindi ko, ako yung baka nasapak ko na. Bilib ako sa'yo, talaga. And, kayo ba, ano ba tingin nyo sa situation? Mabigat yun. Kasi, nasa news talaga, a Filipino nurse. 'Di ba? So, mas mabigat yun for the community as well. Kasi everyday naman may discrete tayong nararamdaman na racism eh. And I hope sa mga nandito, we didn't go here to get your jobs. We didn't go here to get your benefits. We are here to work because we have an opening. We applied for it. We also have to take exams towards it. It's not like magic. Like, we went from a boat that we are refugees. No, we applied everything. Everything is legal. We have papers. We went through the process to be a nurse here. And I hope that, every day we are already going through a lot of challenges. We have our homesickness because we're far away from family. If only our country can provide what you can provide to your nurses, you would not go here. And as you say, you stealing the jobs. We don't. I don't think we don't. We just have the right qualifications as well that fit into your vacancies. So, everyone is struggling. Everyone is thinking. So, it's free to be kind. So, yun lang. I hope you are kind to anyone. Doesn't matter the color, the race, whatever. We're all human beings. So yun lang guys. Comment kung ano man yung nafe-feel nyo for ate or whatever. And I hope ate, you'll heal soon. Okay, pati yung kids mo.